A channel with just 6 videos pulled tens of thousands of views in 2 weeks, and almost nobody is talking about it. You've probably seen those intense 3D ant war stories popping up everywhere, and what's crazy is that these videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views with almost no effort. Now look at this. A brand new channel with only 6 uploads has already gained around 60,000 subscribers. The first video, uploaded just 2 weeks ago, has over 24,000 views, and another posted 5 days ago has already hit 73,000 views. But here's the strange part. The videos are extremely simple. There's no big animation studio, no massive production team, just basic storytelling built around epic ant war scenarios. Yet they are exploding in views, and it gets even more interesting. Another channel that was previously uploading regular cartoon content suddenly switched to this ant war format, and one of their videos reached 333,000 views. That single shift completely changed their growth trajectory. So what exactly is going on, and why are these videos going viral right now? The truth is that this style of content is being driven by YouTube automation. Creators are building entire channels, stacking views and generating income without ever showing their face or investing in expensive tools. These videos are not only effective, they are also incredibly easy to produce. In this video, I will break down exactly how this works, step by step, showing you how to create these viral ant war videos using free AI tools and how you can start your own channel from scratch. To create a video like this, the first step is having the right prompt. I've provided a ready-to-use prompt link in the description, so all you need to do is copy it. Once you've copied the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat, and click Generate. Within seconds, it will give you 10 viral topic ideas specifically tailored for 3D ant war style videos. These ideas are designed to be highly engaging, easy to produce, and optimized for views, so you don't have to spend hours brainstorming or guessing what might work. Once your topics are generated, the next step is to choose one you want to turn into a video. Simply pick any topic from the list and copy it. Then go back to ChatGPT, paste that selected topic into the chat box, and click Generate. As soon as you do that, your full story will start being created automatically. You just need to wait a few seconds while it generates. After the story is ready, you'll usually see a follow-up where it asks if you want image and video prompts as well. At that point, simply type yes and click Generate again. Then ChatGPT will begin creating detailed prompts for visuals, including both images and video scenes based on your story. This step may take a little longer, so just wait while everything is being prepared. Once it's done, you'll have a complete set of story content along with ready-to-use prompts for visuals, making it much easier to turn your idea into a full video. The next step is to generate your images using a free AI tool. Start by copying the first image prompt that was generated for you. Once you've copied it, go to Flow AI and click on Create New Project. A new interface will open in front of you. From there, scroll down and select the option called Nano Banana. After clicking it, you'll need to choose the aspect ratio for your image. Select how many images you want to generate, and then paste your prompt into the prompt box. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button and your first image will start being created automatically. After your first image is generated, you need to go back to ChatGPT to get the next prompt. Simply copy the next image prompt from the list, then return to Flow AI, paste the new prompt into the prompt box, and click the Generate button again. Your next image will start processing right away. You just need to repeat this same process for all the remaining prompts, one by one, until all your images are created. Once all your images are generated, the next step is to convert them into videos. To do this, on Flow AI and drag and drop your first image into the prompt area so it gets uploaded. After uploading the image, return to ChatGPT and find the corresponding video prompt under that same image prompt. Copy the video prompt, then go back to Flow AI and paste it into the prompt box. Now click on the Settings option and switch the mode from image to video. After that, choose any available model for video generation. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button and your image will start turning into a video clip. After your first video clip is ready, you simply repeat the same process for the rest of your images. Drag and drop the next image into Flow AI, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the next video prompt that matches that image. Paste the prompt into Flow AI, click on Generate, and your next image will start converting into a video. You continue this exact process for all your images until every scene has been turned into a video clip. For example, you can quickly convert 4 or 5 images into videos to build the initial sequence. Once all your clips are ready, the next step is to download them. In Flow AI, click on the 3 dots on each video and select the download option. Make sure you download each clip one by one in the original quality and save them to your device. After you've downloaded all your clips, you're ready for the final step, which is editing your video and combining everything together. For the final step, you'll edit your video using CapCut. Open CapCut and click on the Import button to bring in all the video clips you downloaded. Once imported, drag each clip onto the timeline and arrange them in order, adjusting them one by one to match your story flow. If you want to add a voiceover, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a full voiceover script based on your story. It will give you a clean script that you can use separately. Then you can use any AI voice tool to generate the audio and import it into CapCut, placing it over your clips. After that, you can enhance your video by trimming clips, adding transitions between scenes, applying effects, and including background music to make it more engaging. Once everything looks good and synced, your video is ready. Finally, click on the Export button, choose your desired quality, and your complete video will be rendered and ready to upload.
Advance! Form ranks! Move out! Yes, Commander. For the colony! Execute the plan! Execute!